I can't believe this. I'm playing this game using this budget gamepad, this Motorola phone, and this Samsung TV. I mean, the Android ecosystem. Okay, for the past 2 years, we have been hearing One UI this, One UI that, Samsung ecosystem. So when Motorola brought the new Hello UI, there were a bunch of features which was surprising. And I am making a bold statement. I believe it's time for a new Android OS king in 2024, especially in budget and mid-range section. This is going to be a fun video, let's go. Before getting to the exciting stuff, let's quickly have a look at the user interface and experience of both Hello UI and One UI. So the Hello UI comes with completely bloat and ad-free software experience here, whereas One UI also offers almost bloat and ad-free software, almost because the One UI comes with pre-installed Samsung apps, which is fine. But along with some third-party apps installed like Outlook, LinkedIn, OneDrive, etc., which can be uninstalled easily. Now back to Hello UI, if you look through the app drawer, settings page, notification panel, etc., looks like the traditional Android but with modern look and feel. Now people think of Motorola skin as basically stock Android with a bit of features here and there. But see, this is Pixel notification shade and this is Motorola's notification shade, this is Pixel setting page and this is Motorola's setting page. I think it's about time we stop saying Motorola comes with stock Android. It's now a proper Android skin. On the One UI, you can customize the quick setting panel. Like if I enable this quick setting instant access, if I swipe from left, the notification panel comes down, and if I swipe down from the right, the complete quick settings appear, which is good. Apart from this, in One UI, you do get customizations options, but with Good Lock module, the customization possibility is endless. And on Hello UI, if you see, you get the option to switch between the classic style or modern style with quick settings. Now I know this modern style quick settings looks familiar somewhere. But out of all the UIs I have used, I like that here it adapts with the Material You theming. And if I go here to personalize, you get some option to change fonts, icon shape, fingerprint animation, etc, etc. So in the user interface and experience, I think both the Android skins are different but good. It's a tie. Now let's come to UI features. In Hello UI, if you go to the gestures option in Moto app, see you get some features here like the Moto-ish style, chop for flash, but there are new additions to it, like this quick launch. See, if I double tap on the back, GPay opens. This way, it gets very convenient to pay via UPI.
To send the money for your countryman.
Next Moto update. Also, if I keep 3 fingers on the screen, it will take a screenshot. And see here you have Moto Secure where you can set up secured folder, so I can install Instagram and I can log in and use it with my another ID. And you also get the classic Moto pin pad scrambler, so every time when you unlock the phone, the digits would be scrambled. So if someone is watching over your shoulder, it's hard to make out the exact pin. Now coming to One UI, you basically get all these features. In fact, all these features came to One UI first. Additionally, you get Samsung Wallet. So previously when we were at MACD, there was no network coverage to pay via UPI. But I can use my card here to tap to pay and boom, payment is done without internet. Also see here, if I scan the QR in the train ticket gets automatically added to Samsung Wallet, and you can also check the PNR status of your ticket or the current running status of the train. Along with this, you can also import your Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, etc. like whatever you get with DigiLocker. Next would be this private sharing. So for example, if I have to share my Aadhaar card to some customer executive or some person from the bank who has to make credit card. So see, I can go to quick share and now I can tap on these 3 dots and open private sharing. And if I set the timer to 1 minute, so while the photo is received on this phone, after 1 minute the photo gets automatically deleted. You cannot even take the screenshot of the photo, and if you take a photo of that exact Aadhaar card, there is a watermark visible. So very handy features, but it only works from Samsung to Samsung phone. Next would be the Galaxy AI features, but as of now you get them on very limited models like S23 series, S24 series or the FE, etc. But the Good Lock modules are the one which brings another level of customization to Samsung. Like see here, I'm reading an article and I can just double tap on the back and it takes a screenshot automatically and directly opens the share page. Like quite nifty feature, use it every day. The name of the Good Lock module is Registrar, by the way. So from the UI feature point of view, I think the One UI takes the lead over. Now both on One UI and Hello UI, you get some extra features in terms of connectivity with TV and laptop. So on One UI, if you see, you can connect your phone to your Windows laptop via Phone Link app and you can do some basic stuff like view notification, take call, etc. This is for every Android phone. But then there are some Samsung exclusive features. Like I found this quite useful. Suppose your friend wants your phone for placing food order via Zomato, because you have Zomato Gold, like come on, hashtag bachelor life. And you have that really important WhatsApp chat going on, like then you can open the Zomato app on your laptop and simultaneously you can continue using the WhatsApp chat on your phone while your friend places the order on Zomato. Like win-win situation here for both. You also have multi-control features, so I can use my laptop's trackpad and keyboard to control my phone. Also see here, I can grab a file from my laptop and drag and drop on my phone's WhatsApp. Boom, file sent. Another interesting feature here is, see if I have a tablet and I can use it as my secondary display with my laptop. While all of these features are good, the problem here is, The multi-control using tab as a second display thing will only work if you have Samsung phone, laptop and tablet. And you can connect your Samsung phone to TV and use it to mirror your phone or use DeX mode. But another important thing to note here is this only works with a Samsung phone and a Samsung TV or a display that supports Miracast. Now, Hello UI comes with this Ready For app, so you need to install this app on your laptop from the Windows App Store, and once you have paired your phone with this app, see on the Recents menu, if I'm swiping apps in midway, there is this option for app streaming. As soon as I swipe up, it goes onto the laptop. Super smooth. Also in Ready For, I can open the phone apps on my laptop and simultaneously use the phone as well. And this has cross control, so I can use my laptop's keyboard and mouse to use the phone. And I can also use my phone's camera as a webcam. Plus you get a couple of features like subject tracking. See if I move left or right, it automatically tracks me and keeps me in the center. You also have the option of blurring the background. But this one feature is the mind-blowing one. You go to video mask option here, you tap on Smart Loop, it records a 5-second video of me like making the usual meeting gesture, all of that. And now it keeps playing that video on loop. Now I think Team TechWiser is wise enough to know where and when to use this. If you know, you know. Now you can connect your phone to the TV. I get the option here of mobile desktop, TV, video chat and games, and the phone becomes the trackpad here. So the mobile desktop version looks and works similar to Samsung DeX here, but if you see, when I connect my phone to the TV, the whole interface looks like just an Android TV. So I watched Mission Impossible, Dead Reckoning on Prime Video, and the experience here was seamless, and the movie is also good. And now comes the interesting part, game mode. So I opened COD Mobile and paired my controller, and the gaming experience was okay, but I think there is some issue with the optimization from COD's end. Like at times there are some parts where I need to open the game on the phone and tap on continue to proceed and then open the game back on TV. Also I played the Asphalt 9, the gaming experience here was also smooth with the controller. And the best thing is, all these features works with any Windows laptop or any TV that even has Chromecast or Miracast. So Hello UI, for the openness of it, takes the lead here. So what's the point here? Like, what's the conclusion? Out of the two UIs, which is the best? Now, I'm gonna say this, I think it might create some vivad, but for me, right now, Hello UI is the best smartphone UI when it comes to budget and mid-range phones. Now, hear me out. Apple introduced this ecosystem thing, and in Android, Samsung took up the challenge to bring the features to Android, which is good. But the problem is, the iconic features or the flagship features works best if you have Samsung products. Now, Motorola, if you see, took the ecosystem features one step ahead from Samsung, and most importantly, this whole ecosystem thing is open. Works with any Windows laptop, any Android TV, for which Android really stood for. Open source. Now I know Motorola lacks in providing timely software update, that's there. They should really work on that. Like few phones haven't still received Android 14 while Android 15 is due to launch in June. But credit where due, if you notice, their software update don't bring in tons of bugs compared to others, which is also good. But then again, a commitment is a commitment, so Motorola should start working on updates. And then again, smartphone UI is the one thing to consider while buying a phone, not the only thing. So let us know your thoughts about this, and on that note, this is Pradeep signing off. See you in the next video. Pew, pew, pew.